Hey guys and welcome back. Hey guys and welcome back. Hey guys and welcome back. Hey guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Hey guys, it's me, Ashley from charmedbyashley.com. It's the end of the year and let's take a look back at some of the fun tutorials that I have made this year. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you stick around and subscribe. Here you will learn lots of fun beginner sewing projects, crocheting, and also some DIY projects. You will also learn new skills, how to use tools, and maybe even come along with me on a few shopping trips to the craft store. I hope you guys enjoy this year of tutorials and I look forward to 2019. So I hope you subscribe and hit the notification bell and be part of the community. And also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. All my links can be found under all my videos in the description box. And all my videos have a blog post with more information and links. So thank you so much for all your support over the 2018 year, and I look forward to 2019 and all the new things to come. Bye guys!